Rancho Texas Lanzarote. Is it an animal park or could it be categorised as a water park? There's some new slides here, so let me show you. We're going to go and see the brand new slides for 2025 here at Rancho Texas Lanzarote. Let's go take a look. So I have done a full tour of Rancho Texas. I will do an update for 2025. There are some new things, but it's not just an animal park. Now, it's so big, it can be classed as a water park. You've got the bit behind me here for the little ones with the big splash bucket. You've got a restaurant and a pool bar up here. I'm going to show you all the slides, but we're going to head this way to the brand new ones. So these were the slides that were put up in 2024, and I can see something a little bit new over there. And then the lazy river there, well, it's like a walking river. That's closed at the moment, but will be open. You got the toilet bowl one here. So this one was quite new as well. And this one, I'll show you this one quickly. The old toilet bowl, I call this. And this is the one that cascades all the way from up there. And then literally will plop you out the end, look. Wow, look at that. And then you've got these two here, which go all the way down there, and of course the ones behind us, which I'll show you in a bit. So if you haven't already seen the video, I've done a video where we go for a walk through essentially the lazy river. It's like a walk through, a nice little chill, and I've done a video on all these new slides here, but I haven't yet shown you the brand spanking new ones, which have only really just opened, and I think they're this way. I'm lost. When we get up to the top as well, I'll show you the views, because it's not stopping here. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. This place is certainly the #1 attraction in Lanzarote by far. So here you go, look. These are just some of the big ones. I'm going to get a good old aerial view in a minute, look, and go over there. But I think the new ones are this way. I don't even know. I'm completely lost. My days, look at this. So these are the brand spanking ones, look. I am not going down this, I can tell you that now. Far too scary for me. So you've got the bumpy one, and then one that's a little bit faster. Look at that. What do you reckon? I need to see someone coming down it, ideally. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go down it myself, ain't I? Right, let's go for a walk up the top, because we'll get a good view up there. That looks like the highest point as well, even higher than that one. So just to show you, look, they're building even more. Have you ever seen unbuilt water park and unbuilt slides? Look, you've got an even bigger area coming here soon. I'm not sure when, but it's constantly being updated, this place. It's so good. This is one place in Lanzarote that every single year something new comes. The money that they make, they reinvest, you know, they just make it better and better and better. And I love that, because there's nothing worse than having an attraction that just reaches its peak and then that's it, and then it gets a little bit shabby. Look at these. Looks like massive trees, doesn't it? Massive trees with the slides. We're gonna have to go up and have a look. I ain't sliding down. So everyone's got the big rubber rings as well. Look, carry the rubber rings up. Loads of fun here. After a full day, seeing all the bird of prey show, the animal show, all the different things. What a great way to sort of finish off the day, just to chill, have a few slides, let the kids run wild and just cool off. So I'm going to take a little wander up here, look, to the Texas Bowl it's called, or the toilet bowl. There's nobody here as well. It's fantastic. Now the slides do stop at 5, but this is the bowl, look, straight down there, straight around there, and eventually out there, look. And then that yellow one there, well, that's the slides. Those are the first 2 slides that were ever built at Rancho Texas. You've got this one here and this one, and they cascade down over the mountains. Look at that, fantastic. More there. So that's the lasso loop. That's the new one, yeah? That's the new one. I'm coming over. I ain't going down it. That's the new one there, look. Let's go and have a look. I mean, don't get me wrong, in the summer it's going to be a little bit busy, but it's never so busy that you're waiting hours. So it's nice and chilled. And at this time, well, slides close at 5. It's about 4:30 now. So the last half an hour of the day seems to be the best way or the best time to go. Here it is, look. So these are the new ones. Look, that one there looks like a sort of kamikaze. Absolutely no chance. And this one, well, there's some people just coming up here to have a little go. So let's see if we can get them on here. Oh my gosh, this one looks like you have to go down face first. Absolutely no chance am I going on this. Not today. I might come back and have another go one day. But this is like a race, look. These lot are going to have a massive race. Let's see who wins. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Woo! No thanks. So you've got two here. I'm not sure if I've been on these ones before. This is the Bandit Adventure and the Gold Rush. So look, these are the two, look. Wow, look at these. So these are new. There's quite a few. And this goes all the way down there and out at the bottom. And you can see here all the new building. Look, it's getting even bigger. Look at that. It's going to be huge by the end of it. And we've still got more to go down there, look. And then this whole new area. So this one's the lasso loop, look. Wow, that goes certainly a lasso look. Bloody hell. Right, I want to go and have a look up there, the highest point. Let's go. Right, we're going to head in this way, look. These lot love this, look. They're having a race all the way down. So much fun, look. So this one's called Silver Bullet and Wild Stampede. The names do it for me. It's enough for me. It's only a little quick tour today. I am going to come back and do these slides properly because I know you lot like hearing me scream. But I reckon I would scream and go down here. Right, come on, this is how it's done. Look, these guys are going to show us. Oh my days. Right, this is, see, it's complicated, this.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Go! Wow, look at that. Whoa! No chance. Right, so this is the end of the road, look. These are like scary steps as well. I feel like I'm going a little bit too high here because this is the bad boy. This is the bad boy up here. Oh my gosh. Well, if anything, up here you get the views. I'm happy just to have a little look at the views. Let me show you. There is no way in the world I would be getting in that. That's like a kamikaze. No chance. But look, here's where they're building. Look, you've got all this space here. And they reckon that's going to be open by summer, this area here. I don't know. But it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger every single day. Look at the size of it. You've literally got a full-on water park here now. So I'm going to get down here, show you the rest of this amazing little sort of water park, if you like. And it's going to be open for summer. So all the other stuff that you just saw up there is going to be open for summer. That's when I'll come back and do a full-on video. And I'll go on the slides. Maybe not that kamikaze, but I might do. So it seems like a lifetime ago when this was the first slides that were ever built here at Rancho. The two yellow ones, that's all they had. And now we've got a full-on water park. It's absolutely incredible. And just to let you know, these slides here, me and Jack were the first ever people to go down them. That's official. I think we were the test run. We were the test run on there, but these two are fantastic. These are little ones, nice and chilled, these ones. Anyone can handle these. Have a look at this. There you go. You'll know this if you've been to Rancho previously, many years. This is where it all began. The idea of a water park was literally just a couple of slides. And now, look how amazing it is now. And you've got the cascading area over there for the kids, the big splash zone. Beautiful, isn't it? So as the day comes to an end at Rancho, look, everyone heading back to get the buses. Slides close at 5 p.m. So you can have a full day here. But this is a great place with the bucket that flashes down. And then you've got the big pool there. And of course the restaurant over there. So there you go, the brand new slides here at Rancho Texas Lanzarote. Now, I am going to come back as soon as it's all open and do a full-on video, and we'll have to do an updated Rancho Texas 2025 video as well. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're going to come and visit this amazing place. If you want tickets, it's really simple, www.travelon.world. Get yourself on there, book your tickets either direct to the park or with a bus pickup. And it is as simple as that. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you when they open everything and it's all ready to rock and roll for summer 2025. Let me know in the comments, are you going to come? And I'll see you very soon. See you later.